What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's a compact amplifier. It's a 2.1 amplifier from Fosi Audio, and that's an amazing amplifier with all what you need inside of this small package. So if you didn't see the unboxing and review video of this thing, and I'll give the link in the I button right here, so you can go there and check that out. So this thing is a 2.1 amplifier, and as you can see, only bass treble is right there and no separately bass for a subwoofer controller is right there. So when you increase this bass, the subwoofer increase also, and the bass in the main channel also increase too, and also treble is right there. So this thing is connected to my PC using the RCA, and to their small 3-inch speakers from Pioneer, the right one and the left one right there. And the nice thing is that I was using the pre-out from this one to this amplifier. This is a subwoofer amplifier which is connected to an 8-inch driver. You have seen that video too. If you didn't see, then I'll give the link of that one too in the I button, so you can go there and check that out. Now the nice thing is that that's my 15-inch subwoofer right there. You can see this is a very old one. You've seen that before. Well, this is not actually a subwoofer, it's a mid to low frequency transducer, and I was using that as a subwoofer long back. So today I have connected this one to this amplifier right there. As you can see, this is a 350 watt RMS and 8 ohms of impedance. It's a huge driver for this mini amplifier. And here at the back, you can see that's the subwoofer amplifier output. And that's the pre-output right there, which is connected to that amplifier. But this is output for the subwoofer driver. So I have connected directly. See, that's where you can see that's the wire going to this subwoofer. So now we're gonna check the sound of this thing, how it works. I'm gonna keep my camera right here somewhere. I'm gonna check the sound of it. So let's do that. Well, surprisingly, this thing is working amazing, like a huge bass is right there, but the placement of this thing is not proper, so kind of boom kind of sound, not the heavy bass. But when I connected this thing to the proper subwoofer, then I get the deep heart thumping bass right there. But this thing is working like this small amplifier pushing this huge subwoofer very hard, and this thing is like shaking the whole room right now. I don't know how much my camera mic are picking up the bass, but it's huge. So let's try some more. It's all about humanity.
girls with their nails done.